kung kailan magfi-film, saka naman nagkasugat. Ano ba yan? Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Renel. I do hauls, unboxing videos, space makeover, luxury unboxing occasionally, and stuff like that. So if you're interested in one of those contents, then you may subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for you to get updated every time I post a new video. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you some of the stuff that I got from Lazada, Shopee, and other shops. These are mostly home stuff because I've been, redecorating, redoing our kitchen, my sister's room, and even my room. So if this is something that you're interested in, then please continue watching. So guys, let's start first with the biggest item that I got from Lazada, and it's a microwave oven. Is that how you call it? Kasi na-realize ko na ang tagal na pala namin walang microwave. Like, nasira siya nung Typhoon Yolanda. So, simula nun, hindi na kami bumili. So, I decided to get one for our kitchen kasi nakita ko na sale siya. It's from the brand Sharp. I got it from Laz Mall kasi pag sa Laz Mall ka bumili, it is 100% authentic. Kaya dun kayo mismo bumili sa shop nung brand na gusto nyong bilhin. So kung meron kayong gusto sa mga items na ipapakita ko, just go to the description box and click the link and it will go directly to the shop or to the account or to the website. Next guys is another big item, and I got this rolling cart. Ayan, hindi naman siya mabigat. Yeah. I'm planning to use this as a plant rack. A rack for my plants, like small plants lang. Then I'll just add some home decors or stuff like that. And I'll just place it on this side. I'll be inserting a clip para may idea kayo on how it will gonna look like. And guys, I got this on sale as well. Nabili ko siya for only 999 pesos lang. And I think the original price for this is 1,500. And we actually bought two of these. We placed the other one sa kitchen namin beside our ref para lalagyan lang na kung ano-ano. Next guys is this side table. Ayan. It's made of wood. It feels sturdy naman. And I forgot the price guys, sorry. I'll just put the link in the description box, don't worry. So yeah, this is a perfect side table, like for a small room. Kasi it's not too small, it's not too big. It's a perfect size, to be honest. Like, it's just white and then this wood finish, sa stand niya. And then you can just, place a humidifier or a tray for trinkets and like, anything. Basically anything, like a Bible, if you read the Bible. And rosary or a lamp, diba? I think this one is one of our best purchases from Shopee last year, so I highly recommend this table. And then next guys is a trash can. Look how cute it is. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Ayan, no? It's color white and then may wood finish lang on top. It's actually a wood, like a real wood. And this one naman is made of plastic. Ayan. Super nice, no? Ayan. So cute. Parang yung sa mga Korean dramas, diba? May mga nakikita ko na yung mga trash can nila, bagay sa mga cabinets or sa mga furniture nila, like mostly in this, wood finish, diba? So nice. And then next guys is this super sikat na rug or mini carpet. Di ko alam yung name. I'm sure you've seen a lot of influencers or YouTubers that owns, this exact same thing. I got this lang from Shopee for only 499. Sa Lazada mas mahal to, so you better check Shopee and just click, Nordic rug or Nordic whatever. I'll just link it in the description box, guys. So nice. And then next, guys, I got these planters from Shopee. May dalawang size, guys. This one is the small size and this one is the large one. And it's currently holding my philodendron pink princess. Yan. Pink princesses. Kasi madami sila. Kasi I still have one here and one there. Next up, guys, are these frames. Super duper aesthetic, no? I'll just insert a clip here nung ibang designs na nabili namin. And again, I will put the link in the description box. And then next, guys, are these ceramic tray and this alcohol or soap dispenser. Actually, they're from one collection yata because it's the same design. I got this from Milkadis Home Concepts, guys. I will put the link in the description box. It is an online shop on Instagram, which is owned by my cousin Megan. And super nice, no? Super cute. And guys, another item that is super duper famous on Instagram is this irregular shaped mirror. Is that how you call it? And super, lang siya, small. Tapos may wood stand. But I don't think that this one is sturdy. Like, the mirror is just super nipis. Also the stand. So it's very delicate. Nevertheless, it's still good for its price. Kasi I got this lang for 299 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. It's from Shopee. Maghanap-hanap lang kayo sa Shopee kasi yung ibang shop mahal to. Like 400 off. But I don't know about the quality rin. Baka siguro mas maganda yung quality. But for this one, for its price, it's actually good. And it's actually, a good accent piece for your room or even for your living room. So nice. Next up, guys, are these humidifiers from Xiaomi. We got like 4 yata. One for myself, one for my sister, one for my mom, one for my tito. Halos every room may ganito. Because it's super nice, super, it's very useful. Especially for me, for my plants. I'm actually getting another one kasi I have plants on this side of my room. And most of them are philodendrons. So they really need some good amount of humidity. So I'm getting another one of these. Ito, one of the great finds talaga sa Shopee kasi it's only 800 yata or 900 pag nagsisilil sila. So, I will leave the link in the description box. I-check nyo na lang kung same price pa rin. Or sometimes nag 1,000, 1,100. But still super worth it, guys. Next, guys, is this macrame plant hanger. Which I also got from Shopee, if I'm not mistaken. Super nice, no? You can just hang your, like, pothos or mga plants na vines. Very, talaga siya, very Nordic, very Scandi, which is perfect for my sister's room. And sana, hopefully, makapag-film na ako ng room tour for this year. And kung nagtataka kayo kung ano to nakalagay, it's a dried Geranium aralia. It's a dried aralia. Yeah, parang napakita ko na rin to doon sa How to Style Your Shelf na video ko. If you haven't watched it yet, I will link it also in the description box. So next, guys, is this native planter, which I also got from Shopee. We actually got a few pieces of this, guys. May nasa living room namin na nilalagyan ng cellum. Is that how you call it? Philodendron cellum. And then, there's also one here sa taas, sa living room namin sa taas. And ito sa room ng sister ko. And I think she also have a smaller one, I think, or yung medium size, I'm not sure. Basta, this is super duper nice. And this is locally made here in the Philippines. Like, we got this from a shop na talagang sila yung gumagawa. So, let's support local products. So, ayan. Next up, guys, is this one. It's this super duper cute small rock. I don't even know the exact name for this. Basta I got this from Shopee. This is also available in Lazada, and it comes in 3 colors. Like, you have this yellow gold for the stand. It's made of metal, and then it comes also in rose gold and silver. I chose this because most of the decors and stuff here in my room are mostly yellow gold. Even my watch, my curtain rod, and other stuff. So feeling ko mas bagay kung gold rin. Supposedly, this is for kitchen. Lagayan ng mga spices and, you know, kung ano-ano. I think I'm just gonna buy another set na lang for kitchen kasi nagustuhan ko siya for my room. And super duper ganda talaga. Like, I bought 2 of this. Siguro nasa 399 yung isa nito or 379. And then pinagpatong ko sila, like dalawang ganito. And it's really cute. Like, ang ganda tingnan. Like, you can store all your, like your small boots in boxes and stuff like that. So, that's for today's episode, guys. I hope you like this video. And sana may mga nagustuhan kayo sa mga items na napakita ko. So, again, yung mga link nasa description box. So, kung may gusto kayo, just go to the description box and click the link. Thank you again for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!